In today's video, we'll teach you how to create a rotating transition effect. If you're interested in this topic, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Editor and click Create Now to create a new project. In the pop-up folder, select 2 video clips or image files. Then click Add to enter the editing interface. In the editing interface, we can zoom in or out on the timeline by using a 2-finger drag, making it easier to edit the material. After appropriately trimming the 2 clips, locate the point where they connect. Zoom in on the timeline with 2 fingers. Find the end of the first clip and add a keyframe near the end. Then, move the playhead to the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Next, in the preview window, use 2 fingers to zoom in and rotate the image, making it rotate 90 degrees clockwise and fill the screen. Afterward, select the first keyframe and click this button to enter the keyframe properties, where you can change the scale and flip curves to in-out quad. Next, move to the second clip and, using the same method, add 2 keyframes. This time, enlarge and rotate the image at the first keyframe and return it to its original position at the second keyframe. Adjust the curves. Afterward, go back to the main interface. Click Effect and add Dynamic Blur to the track, placing it under both clips. Add 3 keyframes. Then go into the parameters and adjust the amount of the 2 end keyframes to 0, with the middle one set to 100. Finally, find the background and choose Blur. The rotating transition effect is now complete. Now, download VideoProc Editor on your phone and try it yourself.